Welcome back to. Today, we're counting down 10 real animals that look more like monsters from a fantasy world than creatures that actually exist on Earth. From armored mammals and giant predators to strange birds and ancient-looking reptiles, these animals prove that nature can be far stranger than fiction. Make sure to stay until the end, because our number one pick looks so bizarre that many people refuse to believe it's real. Let's begin. Number 10. Emperor Penguin. At first glance, the emperor penguin may not seem like a monster at all. In fact, many people see penguins as cute and harmless. But when you look closer, this incredible bird becomes one of nature's most extreme survivors. Standing up to 130 centimeters tall and weighing more than 40 kilograms, the emperor penguin is the largest penguin species on Earth. It lives in one of the most hostile environments imaginable, Antarctica. Temperatures can drop below -50 degrees Celsius, and powerful winds can reach more than 200 kilometers per hour. Yet these birds not only survive, they raise families there. Male emperor penguins perform one of the most incredible parenting feats in the animal kingdom. After the female lays a single egg, the male balances it on his feet and protects it beneath a warm fold of skin for more than 2 months without eating. During this period, he can lose nearly half his body weight. They also dive to astonishing depths, reaching over 500 meters beneath the surface and remaining underwater for more than 20 minutes. What appears to be a gentle bird is actually one of the toughest survivors on the planet. Number 9. Elephant. Elephants may be familiar, but when viewed from the perspective of another animal, they are true giants. The African elephant is the largest land animal alive today, capable of weighing more than 6,000 kilograms. Their trunks contain over 40,000 muscles, making them one of the most versatile biological tools in nature. An elephant can use its trunk to lift heavy logs, pull down branches, drink water, or pick up a single blade of grass. But their size isn't the only remarkable thing about them. Elephants possess extraordinary intelligence. They recognize themselves in mirrors, solve problems, remember migration routes for decades, and even appear to mourn their dead. Scientists have observed elephants returning to the bones of deceased family members years later. Their ability to communicate using low-frequency sounds allows them to send messages over several kilometers. Massive, intelligent, and deeply social, elephants are far more extraordinary than many people realize. Number 8. Gorilla. If a silverback gorilla stood upright next to you, it would be an intimidating sight. Adult males can weigh more than 200 kilograms and possess immense strength. Some estimates suggest a gorilla may be several times stronger than an average human. Yet despite their intimidating appearance, gorillas are generally peaceful animals. They live in family groups led by a dominant silverback male, who protects the troop from danger. Gorillas share approximately 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest living relatives. They use tools, communicate through a variety of vocalizations and body language, and form strong social bonds. When threatened, a silverback may perform a dramatic display by standing upright, beating its chest, and charging toward an intruder. Few sights in the natural world are as powerful or as intimidating. Number 7. Great white shark. For millions of years, sharks have ruled the oceans. And among them, the great white shark stands at the top. Growing over 6 meters in length and weighing more than 2,000 kilograms, this predator is built for hunting. Its mouth contains multiple rows of razor-sharp teeth that are constantly replaced throughout its lifetime. A great white can detect tiny traces of blood in the water and possesses specialized organs capable of sensing the electrical signals produced by living creatures. These adaptations make it one of the most efficient predators ever evolved. Perhaps most impressive are the famous breaching attacks, where the shark launches its entire body out of the water while pursuing prey. Seeing a multi-ton predator explode from the ocean is enough to convince anyone that monsters are real. Number 6. Jaguar. The jaguar is often overshadowed by lions and tigers, but it may be the most powerful big cat relative to its size. Found in the forests and wetlands of the Americas, jaguars are masters of ambush. Unlike many large predators that rely on speed, jaguars depend on raw power. Their bite force is so strong that they can pierce turtle shells and even crush the skulls of caimans. They are excellent swimmers and often hunt in rivers and swamps. Their spotted coat provides perfect camouflage, allowing them to disappear into dense vegetation before striking. When one suddenly emerges from the darkness of the jungle, it looks less like a cat and more like a creature from a legend. Number 5. Wolverine. Despite weighing only around 20 kilograms, the wolverine has a reputation that far exceeds its size. This fierce mammal lives in remote northern forests and mountains, where food can be scarce and survival is difficult. Wolverines are fearless scavengers and hunters. They have been known to challenge wolves, drive larger predators away from carcasses, and travel enormous distances in search of food. Their powerful jaws allow them to crush frozen bones, and their thick fur protects them from extreme cold. Because of their aggression and determination, many wildlife experts consider the wolverine one of the toughest animals on Earth. Small compared to bears, but with the attitude of a giant. Number 4. Pangolin. At first glance, the pangolin looks like something designed by a fantasy artist. Covered from head to tail in overlapping scales, it is the only mammal on Earth with this type of armor. When threatened, a pangolin curls itself into a nearly impenetrable ball. Its scales are made from keratin, the same material found in human fingernails. Predators often struggle to break through this natural defense. Pangolins feed primarily on ants and termites, using an incredibly long, sticky tongue that can extend farther than the length of their body. Some species can consume millions of insects every year. Despite their effectiveness as survivors, pangolins are among the most heavily trafficked mammals in the world. Their strange appearance and unique adaptations make them one of nature's most remarkable creatures. Number 3. Gharial. If you encountered a gharial without knowing what it was, you might think it came from the age of dinosaurs. This unusual crocodilian can reach lengths of more than 6 meters and possesses one of the strangest snouts in the animal kingdom. Its elongated jaws are lined with dozens of needle-like teeth, perfectly designed for catching fish. Unlike crocodiles that ambush large mammals, gharials specialize in hunting aquatic prey. Males develop a bulbous structure on the end of their snout that helps produce sounds and attract mates. Although they look terrifying, attacks on humans are extremely rare. Their bizarre appearance, however, makes them seem more like prehistoric monsters than modern animals. Number 2. Star-nosed mole. Few animals are as strange as the star-nosed mole. Living underground in North America, this small mammal possesses one of the most unusual faces ever evolved. Its nose is surrounded by 22 fleshy appendages that resemble a pink star. These structures contain thousands of sensory receptors and allow the mole to identify objects with incredible speed. In fact, the star-nosed mole is believed to be one of the fastest eaters in the animal kingdom. It can identify and consume prey in a fraction of a second. Because it spends most of its life in darkness, its bizarre nose acts like an advanced sensory tool, helping it navigate and hunt underground. The result is an animal that genuinely looks alien. And finally, number 1. If there were ever a real-life creature capable of inspiring monster stories, it would be the ii. Native to Madagascar, this unusual primate has enormous eyes, oversized ears, and extremely long fingers. Its appearance alone is enough to make it unforgettable. But its hunting technique is even stranger. The ii taps on tree bark with its elongated middle finger, listening for hollow sounds produced by insects hidden inside the wood. Once it locates its prey, it gnaws through the bark and uses that same finger to extract the insect. This process is known as percussive foraging and is unlike anything else seen among primates. For centuries, local legends associated the ii with bad luck and supernatural forces. Looking at its appearance, it's easy to understand why. It is one of the strangest mammals on Earth, and a perfect reminder that nature's imagination often exceeds our own. So, which of these incredible animals surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed discovering some of the world's strangest creatures, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to, and turn on notifications so you never miss another journey into the amazing world of animals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.